guys, it's the one and only Edlin Motsamai, and I'm here with Mount Walker 888. I apologize for being gone for so long. It's because I'm now having multiple businesses. So therefore, I don't even have time to even breathe, okay? Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are here to actually learn about business in a higher degree, because I've got 25 years of business experience. Also, if you need any motivation regarding to, emotional support or even positive motivation, go to my Rumble page. All the information will be here on the corner, okay? So make sure you go to my Rumble page, which is Mount Walker 888, as well as I got a new channel which is in AI, but I want to expose it because it's not faceless. It's called Elite Entertainment Channel. It's therefore I teach relationship with AI, and therefore you can go and click it. It's on my page regarding to communities, okay? The link is there. Also, another thing is, guys, if you want to send me emails, the email is also going to be up above. And also another thing is is that I missed y'all so much, guys. It's not funny, I missed y'all, okay? So guys, today I'm only going to be talking about something very short. It's going to be so short, it's because I'm going to get straight to the point, okay? Whereby I am going to be speaking about business plans. Now, in the 25 years of running business, I noticed that my mom, when I was co-running a business with my mom, she never used to write a business plan. She used to just come up with something just in order for her to survive, okay? So that's the reason why even when our business got successful, it started running to the ground with Abraham and Douglas, and that's the reason why things didn't structure well. But then what happened is, when I went to university and I learned about business plans, how important it is, I said, no, I have to do it. First year of me running a business on my own, I did run at a good revenue, but guess what? I ran at a loss, guys, when it came to the end, because I started going into expensive jewelry, and therefore I had no business plan. I did not have any backup, any goals, nothing, because I was still young, and I was so naive, thinking that I no business for 6 years because I was running it with my mom. And that's how my jewelry business fell to the ground. So I don't want you to go there, okay? So therefore, I'm going to tell you the importance of a business plan. A business plan helps you for risks. So if you are taking a risk with finance, you can actually have a financial structured division on your business plan, whereby you actually budget everything before you do anything. Number two is that it also helps you with competition. So say, for instance, you go and research the competition, your competitors as a small business. Like say, for instance, there's a major small business that is better than you. You can actually learn from them, from their business plan or their vision and mission goals, and therefore write a better structure in order for you to gain funding. That's another thing. You need a business plan for funding, okay? So say, for instance, you don't come from a rich family, okay? You can actually take that business plan, type it out, make sure it's in a PowerPoint form in Excel, and in Excel sheets and everything. And then what happens is you take it to the government, and therefore they can fund you after you've got your licenses, which is your CIPC, okay? Sometimes if you are doing construction, it's CIDP, okay? CIDP is more expensive, by the way. I'll explain all that as time goes by when you are structured, okay? Now, another thing is, if, like say, for instance, you don't know where your business is going to go, you can actually write a 3-month plan, a 3-year plan, and a 5-year term goal of your business, so that you know where you're going. And if plan A does not work, plan B. You see, you can also write down ideas of where the structures of your business are going to go. So say, for instance, you are selling socks today, okay? And then what happens is that the socks don't work out. You can actually go to a plan B and then invest your money into something else that's going to work, because you know why? It's in your business plan, okay? So you need to structure plan A, B, and C, and your vision and your mission goals. But now, guys, because this is a short video and it was not going to be in detail, because I've already written a blog about it, so the fact that you can go read it in piece and bits form in detail, okay, you can check the link below. It's in the comment section, whereby I explain to you about business in a deeper form, business plans. And therefore, you can also follow my Medium blog, because everything on my blog covers about running a business and the pros and cons of a business, okay? Also, I placed a free business plan structure under that same blog that I linked you with, okay? Now, bye, guys. I hope you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. The next video, I will be talking about marketing for free as a small business owner.
Check Mount Walker Group on Twitter, YouTube, Rumble, and online.